Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and you keep getting this error, there may be a problem with the game installation. Please reinstall. Then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Crimson Desert easily. So first off, you'll need to make sure that you don't have any mods installed. So even if you have mods installed, try to move them out of your game. So just move your mods out of your game and then try to play the game and check if that fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then what you can do is you can open up your game's platform. So Steam for me, you're going to right click on Crimson Desert and then you're going to go into properties, and now you're going to go into install files, and then you're going to click verify integrity of game files. Once you click onto that, it will verify your game's files. After it's done, you can try playing the game and check if that fixes your issue. If it doesn't, then what you can do next is you can close out Steam, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Crimson Desert games folder. So the game's default location should be in your C drive. So go on to C from file 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and then Crimson Desert. You're going to right click on the Crimson Desert exe, click properties, go into compatibility, and then click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply. Okay. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open Steam up, but also make sure to run it as administrator. So right click on it and then click run as admin. Click yes on here and run Steam as admin. And once you run it as admin, now what you're going to do is you're going to verify Crimson Desert game's files while Steam is running as admin, because it will make sure that it has all of the powers that it requires. So just right click on Crimson Desert now, click properties, go into install files, and then click verify integrity of game files now. Once it's done with that, now when you try to play the game, you'll see that your game will now work. You will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.